Hey guys, David here, and welcome to my Kindle Kings review. And inside this review, I'm going to break down everything that Kindle Kings offers you, as well as show you some of the custom bonuses that I have prepared for you if you decide to pick up Kindle Kings from my link down below this video. Now, if you're interested in my bonuses at all, go ahead and click on that link down below this video, which will take you to another video that looks like this. Open up the description in that video, click on that link right there at the bottom, and it will take you to my bonus page where you can secure all those bonuses for yourself. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you every single one of those bonuses and exactly why they are going to help you out with Kindle Kings. So what is Kindle Kings? So Kindle Kings is an informational product, and it's going to teach you how to sell what are called low content books on Amazon for profit, which is also called royalties. So let's go ahead and dive inside of Kindle Kings. I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to be getting with it, as well as the bonuses and all of the upsells and the downsells that come along with Kindle Kings funnel. So let's go ahead and dive into it right now and take a look at it. So I'm on the sales page right now for Kindle Kings, and it is by these two guys called the Greeks. They are the ones that put together this informational product. And here's their big headline of what they are promising you with this product. They're saying that you can make up to $4,041 a month with just a 6-word book that Amazon sells for you. Now that is a huge, hefty tagline right there. And they are really trying to sell you on this passive income idea. Well, let me just let you know that I do this method personally. I have tons of experience with this method, and it does take some work up front, but with the whole passive income idea, yes, it is true. You will be able to make passive income with the Kindle Kings method here. So it also doesn't involve any kind of website or email list. That is totally true, because what you're going to be doing is you're going to be selling these low content books on Amazon, and you're going to be trying to rank those books on Amazon for passive income. That is why they said that Amazon sells them for you. Now, if you scroll down the sales page, you'll see a bunch of other books here, and these figures are pretty accurate because I have done this research myself, and I have actually checked out some of these books here on the sales page and did the research to find out how much they're making. You can go down and you can see all the different kinds of books that they're going to be teaching you how to sell. And there's a whole bunch of good information on this sales page. So come along and check it out on your own if you are interested at all in Kindle Kings. Now let's go ahead and switch over to my bonuses, because I'm going to explain to you how my expertise and the information that I can give you will go ahead and help you out with the Kindle Kings method. So this right here is my bonus page. And like I said before, you can get it by clicking in the link of this video. And then it'll take you over to another video, which you can click on the link in that description. That's going to open up my bonus page, which looks like this. And it's going to also have this review video on here. So if you'd rather watch it on the bonus page, you can do that. So what are the bonuses that I am offering for you if you decide to pick up Kindle Kings? Well, they are right here. So bonus number 1 is a custom bonus. So I created this bonus myself, and it's a video step-by-step training bonus that's going to show you exactly how to create profitable books, just like the ones that I have created myself and listed on Amazon. It's also going to show you how to make bestseller books happen through the Amazon search algorithm. So this is a huge bonus right here in the book creation method. You're not going to find this kind of stuff on YouTube or anywhere else like that, because it's a custom bonus from me. So now bonus number 2 is a huge profitable niche list of 500 profitable niches that you can go ahead and list books on Amazon in those niches. It's perfect for these Kindle kind of books right here. Bonus number 3 is the ranking in Amazon tutorial. So this is a step-by-step video training that I put together showing you how to rank on the first page of Amazon for your low content books, as well as how to find profitable keywords that can help you rank at the top of Amazon. This is a video bonus right here, custom made by me. There's also a 30-day money-back guarantee with the Kindle Kings method, and it's totally risk-free. So if you don't like what they're teaching you, you can go ahead and just keep my bonuses and you can go ahead and get a return by contacting them. Now, in order to get my bonuses, you're going to go ahead after you purchase this, and you're going to see one of these two screens right here underneath your purchases inside of Warrior Plus. And then once you're inside of Warrior Plus, go ahead and click on My Purchases. And then this little blue button right here, Access Affiliate Bonus, is going to be where you're going to be finding my bonuses for this. So now let's go ahead and talk about in detail exactly what they're going to be showing you. So here I am on Amazon. I'm going to show you the process of finding a good, profitable, low content book. This is exactly what they're going to be teaching you inside of the course. So something that I'll go ahead and start with is I'm going to go ahead and start with listing an animal, and then I'm going to put the keyword notebook behind it. So it's going to be zebra notebook. Once I've typed in zebra notebook, it's going to pop up a bunch of these different notebooks. Now, I already know myself that zebras are a great niche on Amazon. And if you get my bonuses, I'm going to show you exactly why zebras are a great niche on Amazon. I'm going to show you the keyword breakdown functions. I'm going to show you how to search and create books that are going to rank at the top of Amazon. But take a look here and you can see that all these books here are low content books. You just go ahead and click on the look inside feature, scroll down, and look at that. It's a blank book with lines, and these people are making good money with these books. Also, let's go ahead and take a look at the product details. So this book right here is ranked 1 million. So, or it's actually closer to 2 million. So when a book is ranked closer to 2 million, you can probably expect 1 to 3 sales from that book a month. Let's go ahead and take a look at some more. I have this nifty little plugin here that helps me take a look at every single one of the rankings of these books. So this one right here is 278,000. You can expect probably about 30 to 50 book sales from this one book alone if it's ranked around that 300,000 mark right there. So this is just a little bit of a taste of what you're going to be doing. So I'm expecting that they're going to be teaching you how to create these books step by step. But if they do not, you're covered by my book creation bonus as well. So let's go ahead and talk about the upsells inside of Kindle Kings so you know exactly what you're going to be getting into if you decide to pick up this product. So here's the page right here that talks about all of the upsells. So the front end price is going to be $12.95. This is going to give you 15 training videos, how to create hot niches in books, how to create the covers, how to create the interiors, and all that good stuff. If you get my bonus as well, I'm going to teach you how to rank inside of Amazon. So let's see, upsell number 1 is $47. There's a downsell for $37. I recommend getting the downsell over the upsell. Now, this is a done for you package proven to convert. So there's a bunch of interiors that they're going to be giving you, specifically 101 interiors for $47. Get it at the downsell for $37. I definitely recommend this because it is a pain creating a bunch of different interiors for your low content books. Now, upsell number 2 is also at $47, but there's also a downsell at $37. This is another 50 covers. Let's see. Covers are a lot easier to create, so I would actually go for the interiors over the covers. So I would go with upsell number 1 instead of upsell number 2. So I would skip this one because you can create the covers yourself. It only takes about 10 minutes to do that. And then upsell number 3 here is going to be for $37, but there's a downsell for $27. This is going to be advanced training on topics like keyword research and different things like that. I do recommend getting this because keyword research is huge on Amazon. It's going to be how you're going to be getting your traffic to your books and how you're going to be ranking on Amazon, selling your low content books. And lastly, 2-on-1 coaching for $147. If you are very serious about selling low content books on Amazon, I highly recommend getting this for $147. But if you're not so serious about it, then skip it because all of the training in there is going to be good enough for you to be able to start making sales with your books on Amazon. So that is the information about Kindle Kings. If you are at all interested in Kindle Kings, go ahead and click on that bonus page, which is down below this video. and then it'll take you onto my bonus page and you can check out all the other information about Kindle Kings. I do recommend this. I don't think it's a scam. Yes, you're going to be creating passive income with this. There is going to be a little bit of work up front, but it is a good business model. I do this myself, and I definitely recommend getting training on how to do this because it is a great part-time supplemental income that could potentially be scaled to a full-time income selling these low-content books on Amazon. I'm David the Info Man. Thank you for checking out my review of Kindle Kings, and I will see you next time.